Hey guys, so I wanted to go over this water pressure gauge that I got for our garden hose. As you can see, we have our garden over there. So this is going to be perfect to be able to tell how much pressure is going to come out of the hose here. So it does come with 4 different clamps. So depending on what you're kind of doing, you know, for types of garden hose sizes, it does come with all of that. It does come with your plumber's tape as well. So as you can see, I put some plumber's tape on here, and then I put the piece that's going to go into the garden hose right here. What's really nice, it does have the oil in there in the inside, so it's going to last a lot longer, which is really nice. So it's just going to be a nice addition. So all you have to do is screw it on just like so, and then now you can tell, you know, how much water pressure you're going to be getting out of your garden hose for this summer. So we can turn it on here and turn it on, and we're getting about just over 50 there for the PSI, and it does have some other readings too, your bar and KPA. But this is just gonna be super awesome just to kind of test, you know, what your water pressure gauge is gonna be. So if it's at home or at work, you wanna test, you know, this is gonna be an awesome addition, and it doesn't leak or anything once you have the plumber's tape on there. So definitely check it out if you're looking for a really nice, good water pressure gauge. Has that oil in there. So hopefully this review helps you with your new purchase.